Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So, have you ordered yourself a brand new Fujifilm X-S20 and you're curious to see what comes in the box? Well, stay tuned. Alright, so without further ado, let's dig in. So first, when we open up the box, we can see that we have two QR codes. So one is for the user manual for the X-S20, and then the other one is for the smartphone app. So by scanning it, it'll direct you to the Fujifilm website to let you know which application you need to download for the X-S20 based on your smartphone or tablet. Next, we have some paperwork. Now, this might change depending on where you're located in the world. And now let's get into the box. So first, I want to go through this accessory box right here. So let's open it up. All right, so first we do have a Fujifilm branded leatherette strap. So let's just have a quick look at it. So nice leatherette camera strap. Let's put it to the side here. All right, next we have our charging block. So this will be used to charge the camera, USB-C, and then on this end we'll be attaching the appropriate adapter. So we have various ones. So this is great. Whenever you're traveling, you can have these handy with you. And then we have our adapters. So in my case, I need this one here for North America. So simply slide it in and we are good. If I look here, I do have a USB cable. Again, this will be used to transfer images to your computer or to charge the camera. And as we can see, we have USB-C on both ends of the cable. So we'll just plug this into the charging block, this to the wall, and then this end onto the camera to charge it. So let's set these here. And then lastly, in this accessory box, we have the NPW235 battery, which will power the X-S20. And then if we get back into the box for the main event, and we can put the box away, we have the X-S20 itself. So let me just lay it down nicely for you to look at. So this is the content of the X-S20 box. All right, so that wraps it up for the unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-S20. Now, if you want to see more about this and other Fujifilm product, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos about the X-S20, check out the card here. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guys.